Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started detailed topic-wise current affair. It means one video on one topic in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is Maharashtra becomes India's number one export ready state. So India's export landscape is defined by diverse economic strengths and trade potential of its states and union territories. And recognizing this diversity, Export Preparedness Index of 2024 focuses on a comprehensive assessment of export ecosystem to identify key challenges, growth levers, and opportunities at state level. So, fourth edition of Export Preparedness Index of 2024 was released by NITI Aayog, and this was released by BVR Subramaniam ji, who is currently the CEO of National Institution for Transforming India. And this Export Preparedness Index 2024 is a comprehensive assessment of the export readiness and performance of the Indian states and union territories, including northeastern states. And the event was organized in New Delhi, and this was released by CEO of Niti Aayog. And Maharashtra has emerged as the top ranked large state. In the large state category, Maharashtra topped this index, and total score of Maharashtra is 68.01. And second rank in the large state category goes to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu score is 64.41, and third rank goes to Gujarat. Gujarat score is 64.02. Remember, this is Export Preparedness Index of 2024, and this is the fourth edition of this index. You can see the list of the union territories and the states, and this is the overall ranking. First rank goes to Maharashtra. Total score is 68.01 in the large state category. Tamil Nadu second rank, Gujarat third rank. First three states you have to remember. And in the small states, Northeastern and UT's category, Uttarakhand is on the top. Uttarakhand is on the top, and second rank goes to Jammu and Kashmir, and third rank goes to Nagaland. If we are talking about only northeastern state, then Nagaland is on the top. In the union territories, Jammu Kashmir is on the top. In the smaller state, northeastern and UT's category, Uttarakhand is on the top. In the large state category, it is Maharashtra. But you can see the full report of this Export Preparedness Index. You can also see here the 5 performing states and the union territories of this Export Preparedness Index of 2024. First Maharashtra, second, third. There is first, second, and third. We already discussed. What about the Export Preparedness Index of 2024? So the 2024 report is the fourth edition of this Export Preparedness Index, while its inaugural edition was launched in August 2020. And export performance for financial year 2021-22 to financial year 24 is assessed using an indicator-based normalized and weighted methodology enhanced in 2024 for greater robustness, comparability, and policy relevance. So, what is the objective of this Export Preparedness Index? It promotes competitive federalism, evaluates export performance and potential, and helps states identify structural gaps in their export ecosystem. And for the EPA 2024, the states are divided into two categories. One is the large state category, we already discussed. Second is the small state, northeastern, and the UT's category. In addition, each state has been profiled in detail, enabled by data analysis and insights from the discussions with the state government agencies. And the state profile concludes with targeted recommendations that include improving infrastructure maturity, reducing industrial cost, advancing digital adoption, even streamlining regulatory process for the small and medium enterprises, and expanding market linkages to enhance export performances. So this is target aligned with the Viksit Bharat of 2047. Remember this. And these entities are classified as leaders, challengers, and aspirers. You can also see one chart here. In the leader category, Maharashtra topped. Second rank goes to Tamil Nadu, third Gujarat. Same as the last state category. First, second, and third you have to remember. In challenger category, Madhya Pradesh is on the top. In aspirer category, Odisha is on the top. You can also remember, examiner can ask this type of the question. So what is the meaning of leader? Leader means high preparedness, and challenger means medium or the moderate preparedness, and aspirer means early stage ecosystem development. So remember, in the leader category, Maharashtra tops. In the challenger, Madhya Pradesh. In the aspirer, this is Odisha. So now what are the key pillars and the framework? So this EPI 2024 is structured around 4 pillars, 13 sub-pillars and 70 indicators. Remember this can be asked in subjective questions. And pillar 1 is related to export infrastructure and its weightage is 20%. So it assesses utilities and trade and logistic infrastructure including ports, transportation, warehouses and availability of utilities like power, water, communications, underpins a state export preparedness by enabling trade at optimal cost. Pillar 2 is business ecosystem and its weightage is 40%, highest weightage, business ecosystem. So it evaluates macroeconomy, cost competitiveness, human capital, finance accessibility, micro, small and medium enterprise ecosystem and industrial environment. A thriving business ecosystem forms the foundation of export success, offering the necessary support for businesses to grow and compete internationally. The pillar assesses the availability of skilled labor, assesses to capital and overall ease of doing business. This has the highest weightage. Third pillar is policy and governance, and total weightage of this policy and governance is 20%, and it analyzes state export policy, institutional capacity and trade facilitation. A conducting policy, environment and delivery mechanism at state level drives exports by enabling trade facilitation, collaboration and market access. And proactive governance reduces barriers, fosters innovations and aligns with India's export priorities. Fourth and the last pillar is export performance, and total weightage is 20%. And it measures export outcomes, diversification, global integration. And export performance reflect a state's success during financial year 2022 to financial year 2024 in terms of export value, growth trends and diversification and resilience. So this is Export Preparedness Index of 2024. It is released by VVR Subramaniamji, who is the CEO of NITI Aayog. What is the objective? Assess and strengthen export readiness at subnational level and support India's goal of $1 trillion merchandise export by the year of 2030. So the index is aligned with the India's ambition of achieving $1 trillion in merchandise export by 2030 and the vision of Viksit Bharat at the rate 2047. And the EPI 2024 evaluates the readiness of the states and UTs to contribute to the national's goal trade aspiration. And the index underscores the importance of policy coherence and collaboration between the center and state in building a competitive, resilient and inclusive trade environment. So it covers all the states and union territories and districts considered core units. And ranking are divided into 3 categories: leaders, challenger and aspirers. In the leaders category, Maharashtra top. In the challenger, Madhya Pradesh. In the aspirant, it is Odisha. And in the top large state, Maharashtra is on the top, Tamil Nadu on the second, third rank goes to Gujarat. Top small states, UT and northeastern category, Uttarakhand is on the top, Jammu Kashmir second, Nagaland is on the third. And you can also remember about NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog was established on 1st of Jan 2015 by replacing the Planning Commission. It serves as the apex public policy think tank of the Government of India. Who is the chairman? Chairman is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Headquarters is New Delhi and it was established in 2015. I hope you like this video. Please share as maximum as possible. So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.